Hi, I'm Alexis. Are you familiar with the sport field hockey? It is one of the many sports played worldwide. I'm going to talk about how field hockey has changed, the history, and how it impacts your health. The sport has dated back to the mid-1800s in early England. The first formal field hockey club was the Blackheath Football and Hockey Club. That was formed in 1861. Field hockey has been a men's Olympic sport since the 1908 Olympic Games in London. The recent addition is the women's game. Now it's a men and women's World Cup. Field hockey has also changed with the sticks. The sticks have changed with their style and the material used for them. Field hockey helps in the development of cardiovascular system. It also helps the tricep, forearms, and shoulder muscles. Players are also prone to injuries that affect hand, wrist, ankle, and knee. Common injuries are concussions and fractures. So as you see, field hockey is dated back to the earliest times of history. Although the sport does have effects on your health, there are also ways it is positive to your health. Also, the game has improved a lot over time, but sports do not build character.